pretty tall fence. I'm gonna guess at least 7 feet. But we are underway here shortly, in about a week. Got some kind of utility pipes, some gray. Different utility pipes, it looks like over there. For some electrical work. Gonna have to do a lot of electrical work before they get going here, as well as some of the getting the city water and waste hooked up. That machine is awfully loud, pounding some of the poles in. That'll support the fencing. And I got a security guard over there. I wonder if he's ever going to tell me not to film here. That'd be funny. Be sure to get that on camera, but it's perfectly legal to be here out on public property, taking photos, video. They'll never be intimidated to do any of that if you want to come out here or any other place. And then you can see 102nd Street here is sealed off. And I imagine we'll never be driving here ever again because there will be an arena taking over this. But the Doty brothers are here. So Friday, September 17th, we'll have a groundbreaking ceremony here with Steve Ballmer, Ty Lue, and I forget who else. I wonder if Kawhi could show up. I gotta have a big name guy here, at least Paul George, I would hope, but who knows. Yeah, Ballmer and Ty Lue for sure. And then across the street here we have another pretty vacant area over here. I'm not sure if that's part of the development or not. I believe it may be a parking garage that fans will walk over Prairie and then get over to this area. According to one of the renderings, it's kind of hard to tell, but it looks that way. Corner here on Prairie where the Church's Chicken used to be, it has been vacated and demo is imminent. That baby's gonna be going down. I'm hearing some, I don't know about the generator. I heard a jackhammer earlier. I don't know if they're doing something beyond the fence there, but this guy's done. Roadway in. They're still hanging in there. I don't know for how much longer. I don't know if they're gonna make it or not, but everything else is done except for the hotel. Clippers are in town. Okay, so Hollywood Park over there across the street from Century Boulevard. Church's Chicken, fenced up, locked up, and more fencing over here. If you're a fan of Church's Chicken, I'm sorry, but this one is no more. Cal Edisoon. That's gonna take some time, I think. This is over on 102nd by Doty Avenue, and you can see we do have road closures and Cal Edisoon. So what I think is going to be a big problem are these power lines running down 102nd Street. So eventually that stadium will be hovering over the street, and then this will be a big issue. So underground's going to have to be the way, I would assume.